Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECLAST T60 and I'd like to share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Tablet. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom again to localize build number and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Of course, enter your screen lock to confirm. If you want to learn more about the developer options, simply check our tutorial about it. So now we can enter the system options, which are in this left section, and enter developer options. Now let's scroll down a little bit to find the automatic system updates and tap on the switcher to turn it on. So from now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. So you do not really have to manually update your device. However, remember about restarting it from time to time, so it will have a chance to apply the updates. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.